Hello friends, this is Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande. I welcome you in today's session. Today we will continue with your right, my right, human rights. As you know, my friends, concept 8.1, human rights and human rights organization. Now what we are going to discuss today, that is about reasons for protecting human rights. Many people's human rights were violated during World War II. Millions of the people were killed and countless others were treated very badly. World leaders decided that this should never happen again. If you will put one glance on the images, you may get easily idea that how harsh situation was there at the time of World War II. The United Nations was established in 1945 to prevent the wars and protect the rights of the people all over the world. The UN has many organs. The UNHRC is one such a organ that works specially for the protection of human rights. Here we have the image or a symbol of UNHRC and the meeting which was held under UNHRC. Let's see the detail about it. The UNHRC has 47 members elected for staggered 3-year terms on a regional group basis. The headquarters of UNHRC is in Geneva, Switzerland. Not just during wars, but even in everyday life, people illiterate other people for their own benefits. In particular, the rights of smaller communities, the poor, the women, the disabled, and the children need protection. Therefore, human rights need protection. Put a one glance on the images of women, disabled person, and the children. See, my dear students, there are main 10 important reasons for protecting human rights. Human rights ensure people have basic needs met. For example, food, shelter, health, cloth. Human rights protect vulnerable groups like children, elderly people, malnourished people from abuse. Human rights allow people to stand up to societal corruption. Human rights encourage the freedom of speech and expression. Human rights give people the freedom to practice their religion. Human rights allows people to love who they choose. Human rights encourage equal work opportunities. Human rights give people access to education. Human rights protect the environment. Human rights provide a universal standard that holds governments accountable. So, my dear students, in this way today we have covered about the main 10 important reasons for protecting human rights. Next part of it we will continue in next session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.